Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we'll be removing the taillights from a Peugeot 4008, both the inner and outer taillights. We'll start with the outer taillight, which has two Phillips screwdrivers which can be accessed when you open the tailgate. Once you remove these screws, the only thing that will be holding the taillight is the two guide pins on the back of the taillight. With a plastic clip remover, we will on the side gently nudge the taillight so it can come out back towards the rear of the vehicle. We use a plastic one so a metal one doesn't scratch the paint. Gently do this process, pull the tail light out with a flathead screwdriver, take out the cover, and then you'll have access to the plug. Press on the plug and you will detach the cable for the tail light, and this is how you pretty much remove the tail light on the body of the vehicle. Next we'll have the tail light extension on the tailgate. We'll access this one's bolts by removing the cover on the inside of the tailgate. There will be two plugs. You'll need to press on the plug clips like every other plug that we pretty much do. It's a bit hard to show recording and doing at the same time, but there will be two plugs. Press on the clips, remove these plugs, then there will only be a 10mm a nut there, which I will show you shortly. Once you remove this nut, there will be also two guide pins on this tail light as well. The same process, you're using a plastic clip remover. Just gently touch on or from the side of the tail lights and just gently move it. Don't try to force anything out. It needs to come out to the rear of the vehicle because the guide pins go straight in, and you'll see shortly. If you're replacing these tail lights, for this one, the one on the tailgate, you just push it in. First get to line up the guide pins and then push it in, and then connect the plugs and then whatnot. As you can see, these are the guide pins on the side. They go straight forward. With the outer tail light on the body, the bigger one, first connect the plug and then line up the guide pins and then push this one in, and followed by the screws. It's a very easy process which you can do at home. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support me by liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. I will see you in our upcoming videos.